Hello, everybody. I'm here with Chef Jack. He was trained at the Culinary Institute of America. He worked at the French Laundry for 3 years. He's a professional fine cuisine chef. And on this episode of Cooking with the Dingoes, we're gonna do some carburetor cooking. Where it's a beautiful summer day out. We're gonna go to the lake, but we're hungry and we don't want to have to stop for food. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to cook a delicious meal on and in your car.
A lot of people might think that this is a crazy idea because it's so unconventional, but really, the temperature of an engine being just a little bit lower than the temperature of an oven, around 50 degrees lower, imparts a special kind of flavor on the whatever you're going to be cooking in there.
See, that's the culinary school talking, folks. And we picked a motor, a 225 slant six motor. It's got this really nice flat intake plenum. Now, if you're doing this at home, you might have to do it with a different kind of car, but you're gonna want to pick a spot on your car that gets hot enough that it'll cook your food, but it's like a flat enough or contained enough shape that your food won't fly around if you have to take a hard turn or slam on the brakes or whatever. But as you can see, we got the exhaust right down here, and that's gonna bring the heat right up through this nice flat intake plenum. And these intake runners, it's gonna act just like a grill at home. So what we got is we got some nice Hebrew National Franks here. We got some tinfoil. You could also, for some good engine cooking, maybe use Spam or hamburger patties like ground beef, or get creative with it. Maybe you could bake a potato on there. That would be good.
Baked potato is a really great place to start when you're trying out engine cooking for the first time.
Yeah, you might want to have to try. We've cooked corned beef hash on this engine before, so we know what we're doing. But here, let's get started. It looks like Chef Riley has arrived to the kitchen. Good eye on Chef Jack here. He noticed that the oven was a quart low. You don't want to do that. What type of oil is that? Is that 5-weight?
That is 5-weight 30.
So we got your dogs here, and we're gonna want to take them out of the wrapping with this dirty razor blade. You want to get the meat juices going. And we're going to want to... So we're going to want to wrap these individually in the tinfoil, and then put a big tinfoil overwrap around that, and we're going to attach it to the motor in a way so that it doesn't get loose while we're driving. And here, Jack, you can have the meat juice. So just, wrap them up. Give it an extra lap for safety. Close up the ends real good. So we've got...
Just gently lift up your vacuum lines.
We got some vacuum lines in the way. We've got some evap. We've got this PCV. Got the air cleaner, the carburetor. Now the heat is gonna come up from here into here, and it's gonna cook them real nice. We might have to stop halfway and flip them over just to be safe. But let's attach these so we don't lose them on the ride. So you're gonna want to take your wire, snake it through the manifold, and this is like picture frame wire, and you don't have to use any crazy knots because we'll probably just snip this off when we get to our lunch spot. But I think that's good enough, don't you?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So there you go. You want to get your oven to proper operating temperature, first and foremost. So we stopped on the side of the road, about halfway. We're gonna flip the dogs. If Jack can open the hood. They're still there, which is nice. Yeah, actually, probably just... That's probably good. All right, let's keep rolling. Listen close. Can you hear it? You hear it sizzling? That tin foil kept in the flavor. Let's get these babies out. Oh yeah, these are feeling nice. And we'll put them on the plate. Chef Jack begins the unwrapping.
Oh,
That's looking,
they look like hot dogs. They smell like them too.
Oh yeah, that's all beef Franks right there, baby. All right, we didn't have buns, so we're gonna have to use some shitty bread, but. Who wants to try the first bite?
I'll do it first. That's a delicious hot dog.
Are you gonna try, Chef Riley? What, you gone vegan?
They don't have the it doesn't have the char of a grill cooked hot dog, but that char is known to be carcinogenic, so this is a more healthy option. It's still fully cooked, but without that char.
Somebody frying Frank, man.
And that is how you cook a hot dog on your car. This is great for road trips, picnics, if your stove breaks or something and you're starving. I'm gonna have the rest of Riley's, thank you. It's a delicious meal, easy to make. Hope you enjoy, give it a try. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Couldn't have been better. It's not like rolling it. I don't know how to.
Breaststroke's making my boxes fall off.
Show us how you do
You gotta start the Superman stroke.
Jack, paddle like a doggy.
Dog, you feel that, Jack? What? Something was like tickling my toe. I think there's something in the water.
Drive them into
Jack.
the woods and then let's go.
Hey, we're gonna drive away.
We're gonna drive away.
Jack walking off into the woods to get naked and change out of his soggy boxers like a pervert.
Jack, we're going. Bye.
See you later.